Hi, this is Scoggett. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Me, myself, I'm doing pretty good. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a 15 bean soup. And it's I'm going to be making it in a slow cooker. And it's very easy to make. There's no effort at all. If you never cooked in your life, you can make this, trust me. And it's really cold here in Tornado Alley, Texas, and it had light dust and the snow. About 20 degrees outside because I went to give Mrs. Scoggett her coffee from McDonald's this morning, and that's what my temperature gauge said in my vehicle. Later on this weekend, we're supposed to get like anywhere from 7 to 12 inches of snow. So we're going to see what happens there, and it's going to be -1 degree below zero. Wow. So it's cold today, and I'm making this 15 bean soup. What I'm going to do is show you the ingredients you need to make it. Go ahead and move it over here. What I use the 15 bean soup from Ham Beans, made by the Hearst Company. And I've always loved their products. They're really, really good. And I think they might make a Cajun one. I don't know if they still make it, but I seen it before. And this is the only one what I found at Walmart, so this is one what I'm using. But it's the 15 bean soup, and this is one I use. And I got my beans over here. And what you want to do when you get it, you want to sort through them, make sure there's no rocks or debris in it, and then wash it off. And this is what it looks like, the 15 bean. We'll put those in a little bit. And I'm going to be using some garlic. I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of garlic. Not a real fan of garlic, but I do like a little garlic taste in my food. Going to be using chicken broth, 8 cups of chicken broth. Me, I like a brothier soup, so I'm going to add a little more chicken broth to it. And I got some cubed ham, what we're going to add to it. And you can use sausage, you can use ground beef, you can use regular ham on the bone. You can put whatever kind of meat, pork, you can put any kind of meat you want in it. Or if you don't want any meat in it, don't add any. And I got some diced onion, diced yellow onion, what I'm going to also be putting in the soup. And this is a mixing bowl from Mike Dobbs with Mick Cotton Barbecue, what he sent me. These are fantastic. It's got this rubber on the bottom, so it don't move. It don't go anywhere. And I love it. I use these all the time. And this is just excellent. Big shout out to you, Mike Dobbs, Mick Cotton Barbecue. You didn't have to send me anything, but you made a wise choice on these bowls, because I love them. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this stuff to the slow cooker, but I also want to, after the beans are cooked, now you want to do this after beans are cooked, I'm going to be adding some diced tomatoes. I only have the petite diced tomatoes on hand, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm not going to go to Walmart because it's just too cold to get out there. And then I'm also going to put one teaspoon of the chili powder in it, a little bit of lemon juice. I don't have any lemons on hand, or I'll use the juice of one whole lemon, but this is going to work. And the bean soup comes with a flavoring packet, what's really good. I'm going to add that. And this will be added, like I said, this stuff here will be added after the beans are already cooked. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to do this. It's real simple. It's all in the slow cooker. See if I can get my angle, what I need. That's it right there. I like to use these liners. These liners are fantastic. You don't have to sit there and scrub anything. I use these all the time, and they work excellent. Cleanup is a breeze. You just grab the bag, take it out, throw it away, wipe out the inside, and bam, you're done. I'm going to go ahead and add my beans. This is a 15 beans. This is really good. If you never had this, man, I'd suggest you try it. And you can add whatever you want to it. You can put celery in it. You can put cabbage in it. You can put whatever you like, you put in. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my broth. And it's 8 cups of broth, which is 2 of these containers here. They are 32 ounces. Oh, that's going slow. Add another one here. You can add water to this if you don't have the broth, but I found out when you add the chicken broth to it, it really brings out the flavor. I mean, it has a great taste to it. Now let's see, I'm going to go ahead and find my thing here. Give this a little stir here. I'm going to go ahead and add my diced onions. This is just one diced onion, yellow onion. You can use whatever onion you like. Going to add some garlic. A little bit of garlic there. I'm going to go ahead and add my cubed ham. I like using this. It adds a good taste to it, and it's already chopped up. Just put the whole thing in there. This is going to add flavor to them beans. Just give that a stir there. Like I say, I like a little more, my soup to be a little more brothy. So I'm going to add just a little bit more of this chicken broth. That should be about right. Going to put that on low. Put the lid on it and let it cook all day long. It's going to cook anywhere from 5 to 7 hours for the beans to get done. And then, like I said, let me come on. And then I'll be adding, like I said, I'll be adding my other ingredients. I'll be adding the lemon juice, the chili powder, the diced tomatoes, and the seasoning packet. I'm going to have this video in 2 parts. This is a first part, and then I'll have the second part, and it'll be the finished product and the plating up of it. This is Scoggett. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. You continue to stay safe, and I'll have that second video coming as soon as these beans are done. This bean soup is done, and y'all take care.